morning students, myself Lidula. As students, today we are going to discuss with a new topic that is interest on drawing. So generally in the first topic we have calculated interest on drawing, and I have told you okay, whenever the date of drawing is not given, then the average period, that is 6 months, that we are taking. Now today we are going to discuss there are two methods of calculating interest on drawing, that is simple method and product method. The very first method, the simple method, the formula for calculating interest on drawing is amount multiply rate, whatever rate percentage is given, and then month upon 12. Now I have taken question number 25th A, that we are going to solve according to our simple method also, and the same question we are going to solve according to our product method also. In the paper it is not mentioned, that is up to you. You can just solve your question according to simple or product method, whichever you want, that is most appropriate. But we generally use product method. Now come to our question number 25th A. In this question the dates are given that on April 30th Mr. Gupta has withdrawn the amount 8,000 for the personal use, and then on June 30th 6,000, September 30th 5,000, December 31st 12,000, and January 31st 10,000. And the interest on drawing that is given in the question, that is 9% per annum is given, and you have to solve the interest on drawing. Now according to simple method, these two columns are given. We'll make two more columns. The next column will be, here I'll make one more column, period. Here I'll write down that on 31st March our accounts are going to be closed, and in the next the interest on drawing in the period. What months that we are going to write down? From April 30 to 31st March, how many months are left? April 30 से 31st March तक अप्रैल चला गया, अप्रैल का मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, 31st March तक 11 months हुए. In the same way from June 30th to 31st March, जून के बाद जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, 9 months. From September 30 to 31st March, सितंबर के बाद अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, 6 months. दिसंबर 31st के बाद जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च 3, जनवरी 31st के बाद 2. Now here we are going to calculate the interest on drawing separately. Our formula will be, that is interest on drawing amount multiply rate multiply month upon 12. So now I will apply the same formula, that is interest on drawing will be, here I am calculating here 8,000 is the amount, multiply rate is given 9%, month 11 months upon 12. I have used this formula. Amount 8,000, 9% rate of interest is given, and then 11 months divided by 12. So in this way we are calculating all the interest on drawing. Here our answer will be 660. In the same way here also we are going to calculate. Again I will fulfill 6,000, 9%. Now the months are 9, so 9 upon 12. So in this way we are going to calculate the interest on drawing. For all these months, that is 5,000 paid, 9%, 6 upon 12, and 12,000 paid, 9%, 3 upon 12, and in the same way 10,000 paid, 9%, 2 upon 12. So in this way we are going to calculate all the interest on drawing, and it comes to be your 660, and then 405, and here 225, then 270, and then after that 150. So what will be the total interest on drawing? Our answer will be, that will be 1710. This will be our answer. So according to simple method, this is the way to calculate the interest on drawing. Now the same question I have taken here according to product method, how we are going to solve. Again the same points that I have written, date, amount, one more column I will make period. In the period again 31st March से compare करेंगे, and the same months April 30 से 11th up to this 11 months, then 9, then 6, then 3, and then 2. Now here I'll make a column of product. प्रोडक्ट में इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट यानी मल्टीप्लाई करके लिखेंगे. 11 multiply 8000, it comes to be 88,000, then 54,000, 30,000, 36,000, 20,000. टोटल प्रोडक्ट सबका टोटल कर दिया. अब ये मेरे पास टोटल प्रोडक्ट ये करके आ गया इन सबका 2,28,000. Now I'll apply the formula that I have written here according to product method. Our formula is total product that we have calculated here. Rate upon 100 1 by 12. अब इसमें 1 by 12 इसलिए लिए क्योंकि 1 से हम ऑलरेडी मल्टीप्लाई कर चुके हैं. Now just filling all the values. What will be the interest on drawing? Total product, rate, multiply 1 by 12. Our answer will be 1710. It means any method we can use, that is according to simple method or according to product method, our answer will be same. But here we have to calculate separately. But here in product method, the total product we can calculate and we apply this formula. So this is the very first topic. Okay, how to calculate interest on drawing. Whenever this method is used, whenever the different amount of drawings are given and on different dates they are given, then we can apply simple or product method. In the next topic we are going to discuss when the same time period and the same amount is withdrawn on the beginning of each month, at the end of each month or in the middle, then how to calculate interest on drawing. Today your homework is the next question 25th B that you have to solve, and in the next video we'll start with that shortcut or interest how to calculate on monthly drawings. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you and have a very nice day.